Bet you didn't know. Covering your outdoor AC unit improperly for fall and winter could do more harm than good, trapping moisture, fostering mold, mildew, and corrosion, and providing a place for woodland creatures to take shelter from the cold, all resulting in damage that could keep you from cranking the cold air when warm weather rolls back around. But you still need to keep out debris like leaves, acorns, pine cones, grass clippings, and other organic matter that could allow moisture and snow to collect, blocking drainage, fostering freezing, and risking rust. Modern AC units are manufactured to endure the elements, but properly covering your unit during the colder months can help prevent problems. Here's how. Choose a cover that's made from a breathable or at least breezy material that'll keep the crud out while not impeding airflow. Be sure it only covers the top of the unit. The cover should stretch no more than 6 inches down the sides. And don't forget to remove the cover before you turn your AC on the following spring to prevent overheating. Great, now we have that covered.
And if you learned something there, please like and share.